So today we are going to discuss present perfect tense and future perfect tense and past perfect tense. Okay. So perfect tense, when some work has been done, is finished. Like I have done my homework, I have eaten lunch, I have prepared dinner. So whatever the work I have done, that will come in perfect tense. Okay. When we will talk about present perfect tense, so I have finished my homework. So this is present perfect tense. So now what is the formula of present perfect tense? You can see subject plus has have plus verb third form plus object. So I can give you an example of a sentence like I have eaten my lunch. So here you can see that I have used third form of verb plus has have I used has with singular and have with plural. And I and you are exceptions. So they will follow the rule of plural. Okay, I have, you have. Clear? So I can give you one more example. I finished my homework. Rahul has finished his homework. We can write here Rahul has finished his homework. So you can see here Rahul is singular over here. Finished his homework. So you can see here that Rahul is singular. So we have used has. Okay. With singular we are using has. With plural we are using have. But I and you are exceptions. So we will use plural rule with them have. Okay. Like I have. Am I clear, children, up to this much? So when we are going to change them into negative, so we will write, I have not eaten my lunch. Okay, we'll put not. To make it negative, we'll just put not. Rahul has not. Clear, children? And when we are making them interrogative, we'll just put has have before the subject. Okay? Have I eaten my lunch? Has Rahul finished his homework? And we'll put up a question mark over here. Okay. And if we will make into negative interrogator, if we are using contraction, we will use haven't I eaten my lunch? And if we are not using contraction, we will write have I not eaten my lunch? I think up to this much is clear, children. Show me your virtual thumbs if it is clear to you all. This much is clear, children. Very good. So when we are making them into negative, we are using has not, have not. When we are changing into interrogative, we are putting the has, have auxiliary verbs before the subject. And when we are using contractions, okay, when we are using contraction, then we will put before, not will come before, like haven't. If we are not using contraction, have I not eaten? Okay, in this way. I think up to this much is clear. Now we'll move on to the past perfect tense. Past perfect tense when the work is over and the new work is started. Okay. Then we are using past perfect tense. Like same sentence we can change into past perfect. I had eaten my lunch. Has will change into had. I had eaten my lunch. So I can rub this. So I'm going to write the same sentence. I had eaten my lunch. This is past perfect. I had eaten my lunch. I had eaten my lunch. Eaten my lunch. Or Rahul had eaten. Rahul had eaten his lunch. Or Rahul had finished his homework. Okay. So with singular, plural both, we are putting had in Past perfect, we are using same rule for singular and plural both. We will put had. Okay, whether it is singular or whether it is plural, we are going to use had. Am I clear, children? Show me your virtual thumbs. And when we are going to change them into negative, what I'm going to write? I had not eaten my lunch. I had not eaten my lunch. When I want to make it negative, I had not eaten my lunch. And when I want to change into interrogative, had Rahul eaten his lunch? And I'll put a question mark over here. And when I'm changing into negative, had Rahul not eaten his lunch? And if I'm using contraction, then I'm going to write hadn't Rahul eaten his lunch? So I think now the formula is clear to everyone. Clear to everyone. Now we are going to move to future perfect tense. Okay. In future perfect tense, the some work has been done in the nearby future. Okay. Same sentence I will take. I will have eaten my lunch. 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 And if I will change it to negative, then I will be writing, I will not have eaten my lunch, or I will not have eaten my lunch. Eaten my lunch. Okay. So I can write this also, I won't have eaten my lunch. Okay. Then same if I'm asking interrogative. So what I'm going to write, will I have eaten my lunch? And if contraction I'm using, won't I have eaten my lunch? Won't I have eaten my lunch? Okay. Will I not have eaten my lunch? Will I not have eaten my lunch? Okay. So I think up to this much is clear to you, everyone. Up to this much is clear, everyone. Show me your virtual thumbs if it is clear to you all. If it's clear, show me your virtual thumbs, children. So now we will move on to the exercise part. We are going to discuss exercise. So now I'm moving on to the exercise part. Very good. So now we are going to do the exercise part. So what is the page number, children? Page number 70. Okay. Thank you, Beta. Page number 70. So when I arrived, the members were eating. A verb is highlighted in each of these sentences. Okay, a verb is highlighted in each of these sentences and its tense is mentioned in the brackets. State whether the tenses mentioned in brackets are correct. If not, correct them. Okay. So first one is number 1. When I arrived, the members were eating. Simple past. What is this tense now, children? What is this tense? Yes. Yes, Avika. Tell me the tense.
Ma'am, it is past continuous tense.
Very good. Past continuous. It is past continuous. Past continuous. For past continuous, we are writing PC. Capital PC. Then second one. Second is he failed last year. Past perfect. Which tense it is? Anshika. Anupriya, you can tell me.
Ma'am, simple past.
Very good. He failed last year. Simple past. I'm asking you one by one. Okay. Anshika, tell the next one, beta. Anshika, tell me the next one. I shall have done this exercise by 9 a.m. Future perfect. I shall have done. Davanya, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell
Ma'am,
me.
I want to ask, ma'am, what is the meaning of PC?
What is the meaning of PC? Present,
Yes, ma'am.
past continuous. Okay.
And ma'am, what we will use for present continuous?
PRC.
PRC. Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
we will use PRC for present continuous tense. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Davanya, okay. Mahi, tell me this one, beta. I shall have done this exercise by 9 a.m. Future perfect.
Okay, ma'am.
Tell me, is it future
Ma'am.
perfect?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is correct.
So it's correct. We are going to write it's correct. Okay. It's correct. Next. Next sentence, Napik. Tell me the next one. They are going to the zoo. Simple present.
Present continuous.
Very good. It's present continuous. We'll write here PRC. PRC. Then we'll move on to the next. Anya Jain. Tell me the next one. Saraswati was working in the office. Saraswati was
Ma'am, this
working in
one
the
is
office.
PC, present continuous.
PRC, beta.
Yes.
It's PRC or it's PC? Past continuous.
Ma'am, PRC.
Beta was here. It's was.
Past.
Saraswati was going.
Ma'am, yes. Yes.
Saraswati was working in the office. It is simple past. Oh, sorry, past continuous. Was working. Past continuous. Now next one. Kolkata stands. Devanshi, tell me the next one. Kolkata stands. Kolkata stands on the Hooghly River. Simple past.
Then this
It
is
is
simple present.
very good. It is simple
Simple
present.
past.
Yes. For simple present, we are writing SPR. Okay. Now next,
Ma'am, please tell the page number.
page number is 70. Nishya Jain, tell me the next one, beta.
Yes,
Nishya, tell
ma'am.
me the next one.
Ma'am, the show commenced after we